Guys, well, that's it for this video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Just wanted to give you different sound angles of the exhaust setup. I love the sound of it. It is a little raspy inside, I find, at certain RPMs. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it in the car. I'll do a little pull here. Around VTEC, when it hits, it's got rasp inside, but I find outside it doesn't really rasp. So it does have a slight rasp. I do want a deeper noise with like gurgles and stuff. So this is just a temporary exhaust setup. Give you guys some ideas of different exhaust setups with the Borla Pro Xs. So I'll show you what I mean by the rasp. I guess you don't really hear it at higher speeds, but you do hear it in like a second gear pull. So but yeah, overall I like it. Sounds a lot better, a lot louder, a little more aggressive. So I got my flex pipe fixed. All I did was cut out the J-pipe flex pipe and replace it with another one. I'm not sure what material they use, but they just replaced it. And then I got them to delete the resonators at the same time. Both resonators, there's 2 resonators, one on each side. So both of them are deleted with the Pro XS mufflers and Accelerate J-pipe. And that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.